She ain't fucking me and Nikki kick that hoe right through the jaw.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Underlay Key, back with a third unboxing video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification to get updated every time I upload a video. But let's get to it though. I'm gonna try to let y'all know. 1, 2, 3, okay, you feel me? I forgot what I ordered, but feel look like a phone's in here, but I don't technically don't know. You get here though, like this. I don't know. I hope it's my knife, but this one's like it's not doing good. But let's open it though, you know. I'm just gonna rip it because it's a bag. Okay. What? Tech Force. See that, boy. I like it. Hopefully it's my knife. Please be my knife. I'll be happy. Cause this don't cut good. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is. I like it though. I like it. I'm just have to do this and try to cut myself. I actually did cut myself. Oof. Oof. I like this one. I like this one. You can see it more closely, you know. It's rainbow. This I could cut stuff right here with this. I could pop a bottle, a beer bottle, with a wine bottle, whatever y'all call it. Click it. And bound, or you feel me? I'm gonna use this next time I'm stuck unboxing my stuff, cause this is nice. Like, man, it's Tech Force. They've been bleeding, but that's me. Let's open this one. Very nice, sharp. I like it. I like it. Why put in another bag, bro? It's like a big bag and a small bag. Now if I open this one, if it's another small bag, and another one small bag, then I got nothing then. Just a small bag. But let's open it though, man. Gotta be no small bag, you feel me? Oh, this came in early. Actually it is. Oh yeah. Xbox 360 charger that I got from my Xbox 360. I got there because I lost the charger to it. And this other system I got, I cannot tell y'all, but when it comes, I will show y'all a video of it. And I'm gonna get that person a shout out. But stay tuned. It should take like 2 or 3 weeks to get here, but they tell me they got finished up the project of it. So I need this from Xbox 360 controller anyway, so I need this one. What's this? Cook up, fresh start, $50 gift card. Bro, oh, I can't tell you the random code, but bro, good looking out though. Hello Fresh. Okay, okay. I can't show you. Y'all probably steal the code. You probably steal the code. I can't show you that. Alright. I got a little another Tech Force. You feel me? Another Tech Force. Another one. One of this color. This is. Oh yeah, that's the color I like. This one right here. It's like maroon and purple, pinkish, but I like it. These boys is nice though. That's nice. It's like, bruh. So that's all 3 I got. You feel me? Just these 3. So like I said, hit that subscribe button, like this video. But y'all let me know what y'all want to do for my videos besides gaming and unboxing. Alright, just let me know. I will do it for you. And like this video, subscribe, hit that bell notification to get updated every time I upload a video.